A wet go of things here on this Christmas Eve. Thanks for watching NBC29 News here at 6. Temperatures for most locations at this hour are pretty much at the high temperature for the day. It's 60 right now in Louisa, 51 at the airport. It's 51 in Weir's Cave and 50 currently in Stanton. Many locations have seen a solid inch and over 2.5 inches in some spots. The airport reporting just over 2 inches of rain, and we've got more yet to come. Look at these regional temperatures. It's 68 currently in Norfolk. You go up 64, we got 62 in Richmond, 51 in Charlottesville, still 54 in the higher train of Elkins. That's going to change pretty drastically. And then you get out toward Charleston, West Virginia, temperatures are in the low 30s. So the flood watch, flash flood watch, does continue here tonight. Some of these counties go at different times, but nonetheless, we still are under the risk of more flooding, and we do have active flood warnings for much of Albemarle, for much of Orange, for Greene and Madison and Rockingham and Page counties, portions of Culpeper. Different expiration times, but small creeks and streams are out of their banks. Do be mindful of that and never attempt to cross flooded roadways. In addition, we also have a river flood warning for the Rivanna at Palmyra that goes through tomorrow night. Looks like it'll crest about 3 to 4 feet above flood stage. Still going to deal with ongoing rain here tonight as activity streams up from southwest to northeast, and some heavy rain with some isolated severe weather has been along and east of I-95, and we still can't rule the risk of maybe an isolated severe storm. We're under a marginal risk across our portion of western Virginia here, but you get down toward Richmond and Norfolk, it's a little bit better chance, especially as you get into eastern North Carolina. Again, we do have a wind advisory for the higher train of the Blue Ridge, gust easily up to 50 miles an hour. And say later tonight before midnight, we could certainly have some stronger gusts roll through. Any residual moisture left in the atmosphere once the front comes through could still get wrung out as some snow showers. I think a better opportunity is going to be west of the Blue Ridge, perhaps a coating to less than an inch across the valley floor. But as you climb into the Alleghenies, points west, certainly more substantial amounts of snow, and that's where winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings are posted. So there's your white Christmas. Not to say that we won't see a few snow showers or flurries fly, especially in the morning hours here for Christmas Day, but brisk and cold. Our midnight temperature is the high for tomorrow because we're looking at temperatures in the 20s and 30s. That means wind chills, here we are tomorrow afternoon, in the teens and 20s. So the Arctic blast is here. So the front is just off to our west here tonight. The warmth is preceding the front, and it'll be warmer, for instance, in New York tomorrow morning than it will be here. And right now in North Georgia, there's some snow falling. So you can see the colder air rushing in on the backside of the system, so our warmth will be departing pretty hurriedly. This dip in the jet stream is pretty pronounced, driving the front through, and that colder air will be over for us for Christmas and into the start of the weekend. So here we are tonight, say between 8 and 11. Look for more rain, some of that heavy, maybe an isolated storm or two, some gusty winds, and then the moisture kind of shuts off as the cold air rushes in, but any residual moisture could get wrung out as some snow showers or flurries. Blustery day tomorrow. Temperatures will continue to fall through the 20s and 30s, and then by early Saturday morning, we're in the teens. Saturday afternoon, mid-30s to around 40 for daytime highs. So more rain tonight, maybe a storm. Any residual moisture gets wrung out of some snow showers. Temperatures in the morning will kind of range anywhere from the upper 20s to upper 30s across the region, but then those numbers continue to fall throughout the rest of the day. That leads to temperatures well down in the teens for Christmas night and early Saturday morning. Right now, Saturday's a bright day with temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40, and then a little bit more seasonable by Sunday, a little warmer as we start early next week. Merry Christmas. Steve.
All right. You too, Eric. Thank you. Our NBC